Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and if you can tell by the excitement, I am here with my unboxing video for the Make It Merry Christmas kit. Oh, look at the box. It's so big, it can't even fit within my camera frame. I love it. Alrighty, let's get into this video. Let's get started. I love Spellbinders kits like this because it's just carefully curated. I love that. All right, so it comes with the paper. You lift it up. Okay, crafters, so in this box, the contents, 13 A2 cards with coordinating envelopes, 12 5x7 cards with 12 envelopes, 14 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Ooh. 4 sheets of foil paper. Then we have a 6x6 paper pad, which has 40 sheets. Love that. So that means that this is going to be single-sided. And this is called Make It Merry. If I see it individually, I will link it below for you. It will be single-sided cardstock. But isn't that pretty? Fun colors. Oh, look at that. Pretty, pretty. Oh, there's lots of designs in here. I love that. Look at that wood. It's 2 each of 20 designs, okay? Then you also get some die-cut pieces. This is usually a lot. They didn't put the number on it this time. You can make a lot with this. You can make a mini album and still have a ton of die cuts left. And this usually doubles of everything. Love that. And then this one is like titles and tags. Let's just see what comes out in my hand. It's so many. It's usually like 100 and something, 180 or something like that. It's a lot. You get 2 of that, the house. You get that cute deer that we saw. 2 of that. That was right here on this tag. Look at that. Tags are currently on sale in the Christmas in July sale. You get sentiments, banners. You get them curved. You get it straight. You get loads of trees. This is just from one little pull. We even have Santa, smiling Santa, presents, snowflakes, loads and loads. These are fantastic, but I always have to separate it out because once I open it like this, everything flies out and it's a lot, which is good because you can get to add this to everything. Look at that house. Look at that color. Oh, love. It's almost like a peachy pinky. Look at the bunny. Oh, that bunny's adorable. I love the bunny. Oh, I can't wait to play. Look at that house. So much fun. So I carefully put it back. So that's the die cuts. Then, normally I get a title for it, but I don't see a name here for it. Oh, die cut shapes and die cut journal tags. So this must be the journal tags. Random draw. We get family pass, 2 of each. This is cute because you can stamp in here and then tear it. Postcard. That's cute. Tags. Again, more tags for your journaling. Numbers. Those numbers look like they go all the way up to 25. I love that. So you can do your Christmas daily. A lot of people do that right now too. This would be perfect for your Christmas daily because you would be done with this set. You wouldn't have to go sourcing 9 different packs of paper and all the ephemera everywhere. Comes with some red sequins without the centers. It's solid. You get some adhesive, some beautiful gems. Look at those gems. Love. We get some chipboard, both sides. Ooh, nice chipboard. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? Look at the house and everything. Oh, love. And a Christmas pudding. Here, sentiments, also chipboard. One-sided, but still very nice. Use that for your tags. This can also be for your scrapbooking too. Here we go with sentiments in a beautiful polished gold colorway. More puffy stickers in fun colors with that pink. A2, 5x7. You get envelopes and the paper. Let's look at the paper because, you know, I love my Spellbinders cardstock. The 18 sheets. That is with 14 sheets of cardstock, 2 gold foil, and 2 silver foil. I'll do this one quickly. The silver foil and the gold foil. We get a cream. We get 2 white, black, brown. Ooh, love these colorways. This almost looks like mahogany. Some of the colors are a little bit different than the paper packs that they sell individually, okay? Like, we don't have this color green or that shade of green, but in this pack, you would be getting that. Pretty. This one almost looks like raindrop. Now let's go into the Make It Merry add-ons. There is a 2D embossing folder called In the Pines. This is an oversized embossing folder. It's not a 3D one, so you don't need to have the universal plate system. This will run through your standard die cutting machine. Here I have an example of it done in Spellbinders Fern cardstock. Super pretty. You want to brighten this up a little bit, you can use some white pigment ink and rub on here in certain parts, or Simon Hurley's solar paste. That's nice too. Just rub it on in little bits. There is the Make It Merry floral dies. This is a 13-piece die set. Here is a example on the back. Sometimes I love to see a reference, and I love the packaging here, so I just printed it out. Isn't that cute? This is like a different take on like holiday blooms and such with the poinsettia and berries. There are your berries, there's your poinsettia, the holly, the pine, leaf here. We have flowers here, that's with the top. There's that beautiful acorn. Let me give you a real quick measurement on this large poinsettia. 1.5 inch, okay? So you're looking in that range. And then you have a second one if you want to do it as 1 or 2 beside each other. You can probably layer them too. There is another die, and it is the Make It Merry Sentiments die. Here you're getting a banner die with 3 drop-ins. Make it merry. That's not the sentiment that we always see, so that's great. Jingle all the way. 'Tis the season. You can purchase this individually, or there is a bundle with 1, 2, 3. These 3 together, okay? I will put the bundle and both individually for everything. But that die set, this one, yeah. And the embossing folder and the sentiments too. I like them. Make it merry. I think that's unique and fun. There is also this set that's sold a la carte. Floral die cut shapes. 214 pieces. So this is sold separately. Let's just do the same thing. Random draw. And see what I come out with. Oh, so this is like the foiled version or the die cut paper version of this. You see it? Oh, I love that. If you don't want to do the die set, you can definitely do this then. You see? This is much bigger though. Now you could layer, of course, printed die cut with the real die cut. Why not? And create a collage. You can tuck these in. I love this beige with the gold. That's really, really pretty. That's the standard way. This is how I always go, but I'm inspired by this colorway. This is really pretty. Maybe I'll give that a try. I don't think I've ever made beige florals, like a cream, beige, ivory. I don't think I've done it this way for winter, but I'm liking it here. Inspiration. And there's that acorn too, with gold. That's a good colorway, guys. Maybe that'll inspire you too for your Christmas in July crafting. So I think this Make It Merry look like it's going to be loads of fun. Expect to see me using these throughout my examples. I'll be working on them shortly. And here is that box. Oh, I love the box. I'm going to put everything in the box. Papers, everything. It's just all good. And I will double check if this is sold individually too. Oh, this die. The dies and the embossing folder too. But the kit, these are always a great value bundled up. Even though there is 13 cards, 26 cards in total or something like that, you can make probably 40, 50, 60 cards because it's a lot here. And then once you incorporate these two, you can stretch it even further with the die cuts and the pattern paper. So pretty. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Take a look at Make It Merry Christmas card making kit for 2023. This is another great way to kick off Christmas in July. Love! And if you want more inspiration, take a look at the Kit Club offering. Remember, the window is open for new subscribers from the 6th to the 27th. If you see something and you love it because some things have already sold out, subscribe to the Kit Club earlier than later. Alrighty, crafters, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!